When it comes to 3D printing, the right machine can completely transform your creativity into reality. In this video, you're about to discover the 5 best 3D printers available right now, ranging from beginner-friendly models to high-performance machines built for serious makers. Whether you want speed, precision, or advanced materials, there's something here for you. Number 1. Elegoo Centauri Carbon 3D Printer. If you're looking for a powerful yet beginner-friendly 3D printer, the Elegoo Centauri Carbon makes an incredible first impression. Right out of the box, you can start printing immediately because it comes fully assembled and pre-calibrated. That means no frustrating setup process. Just plug it in and start creating. You also get automatic bed leveling and a clean touchscreen interface, making everything feel smooth and intuitive from the start. What really sets this printer apart is its speed. With its Core XY structure, you can hit up to 500 millimeters per second, which means your projects finish much faster without sacrificing quality. The rigid die-cast aluminum frame keeps everything stable, so even high-speed prints come out clean and precise. This machine is also built for serious materials. Thanks to its 320 degrees Celsius hardened nozzle and enclosed chamber, you can print carbon fiber filaments and other advanced materials with ease. That opens the door for stronger, more heat-resistant parts, perfect if you're working on drones, automotive projects, or functional prototypes. On top of that, you get smart monitoring features like a built-in camera and LED lighting, so you can watch your prints in real time and even capture time-lapse videos. If you want a reliable, fast, and future-proof 3D printer, this one checks all the boxes. Number 2. Creality K2 3D Printer. If speed and simplicity are what you're after, the Creality 3D printer delivers an impressive balance of both. You'll notice right away how fast it is, reaching up to 500 millimeters per second with smooth, consistent results. That's thanks to its lightweight Core XY motion system combined with vibration control and input shaping, which helps eliminate imperfections like ringing and keeps your prints sharp. What makes this printer especially appealing is how easy it is to set up. Within about 5 minutes, you're ready to go. The fully automatic leveling system handles everything for you, so you don't have to worry about manual adjustments. It's perfect if you want a hassle-free experience while still getting professional quality results. The build quality is another standout feature. With a solid metal frame, reinforced structure, and dual crossbeams, you get excellent stability even during high-speed printing. That means better accuracy and cleaner finishes whether you're printing prototypes or everyday objects. You also have the option to upgrade to multicolor printing with Creality's CFS system. That means this printer can grow with you as your skills improve. Combined with a reliable direct drive extruder and smart filament monitoring, the K2 SE gives you both performance and flexibility in one sleek package. Number 3. Phrozen Resin 3D Printer. If your focus is ultra-detailed models, especially for miniatures or artistic designs, the Phrozen Resin 3D printer is where things get really exciting. This printer offers stunning 12K resolution, giving you incredibly fine details that are hard to achieve with standard filament printers. You'll immediately notice smoother surfaces and sharper edges in your prints. Despite its high precision, it still offers a practical build volume with a 10-inch monochrome LCD. That means you can work on larger models without sacrificing detail. It's a great balance between size and performance, making it suitable for both hobbyists and professionals. Another advantage is how quiet and stable it runs. The advanced motion system reduces vibrations, so your prints come out consistently clean while keeping noise levels low. This makes it a great choice if you're working in a home or studio environment. The touchscreen interface is also designed to be user-friendly, guiding you through the process with clear prompts. Even if you're new to resin printing, you'll feel comfortable navigating the system. Plus, with strong community support and reliable settings, you can get high-quality results right from day one. If detail is your top priority, this printer is a fantastic choice. Number 4. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. For those who want both speed and extreme precision, the Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Pro takes resin printing to the next level. You're getting incredibly fast performance here, reaching up to 170 millimeters per hour, which significantly cuts down your printing time compared to traditional resin printers. But speed isn't the only highlight. This printer features a massive 14K resolution display, allowing you to create highly detailed models with incredibly fine accuracy. You can even print tiny features like small holes and intricate textures without losing clarity, which is perfect for professional-grade work. The advanced light system also plays a big role in consistency. With improved light uniformity and precise exposure control, each layer cures evenly, resulting in higher success rates and fewer failed prints. That means less wasted material and more reliable results. What makes this printer feel truly smart is its intelligent features. From resin level detection to failed print monitoring and automatic resin refilling, it takes a lot of the guesswork out of the process. The temperature-controlled resin vat is another great addition, ensuring optimal conditions for every print. If you want a high-end resin printer that combines speed, intelligence, and incredible detail, this is easily one of the best options available. Number 5. Qidi Q2 3D Printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can truly do it all, the Qidi Q2 is built to impress. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced maker, this machine adapts to your needs and delivers professional-level results with ease. It's designed to be plug-and-play, but it also packs serious performance under the hood. One of its standout features is its precision system. The nozzle itself acts as a leveling sensor, giving you extremely accurate first layers every time. Combined with its heated chamber, you get better adhesion and reduced warping, especially when working with advanced materials. Speed is another big win here. With a full metal Core XY structure and linear rails, you can reach up to 600 mm/hour while still maintaining excellent print quality. That's incredibly fast, especially for a printer that also supports high-temperature materials up to 370 degrees Celsius. What really makes this printer feel future-proof is its multi-material capability. With the Qidi box, you can print in up to 16 colors, opening up endless creative possibilities. Add in smart features like AI camera monitoring, filament detection, and power loss recovery, and you get a machine that feels both powerful and reliable. On top of everything, the built-in filtration system keeps your workspace clean and safe, making it perfect for indoor use. If you want one printer that handles everything from simple projects to advanced engineering parts, the Qidi Q2 is a serious contender.
Thanks for watching. If this product helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more honest Amazon reviews and tech finds. See you in the next video.